Okay, well, I hate my alarm clock, and I was cleaning out the garage and found it over here. I had issues with it, so I ended up just stopping using it because it didn't work out for me so many times. And I wasn't having the best day today, so I felt like swinging it. So, I think I'm gonna swing it. Just like that. And that is the result of swinging an alarm clock into the ground. One more, shall we? And they're still hanging on. Just the one little wire that doesn't want to let go right there. But, you know, that's okay. I think that's enough destruction. I think I can be fairly happy with that. So, one more for good measure. Oh, and it goes flying. The aftermath. What a glorious, glorious thing. Parts and pieces, that's all that's left.